Hello everybody, Scott Jan here and welcome to the second episode of the Film School. Today I will bring up a very simple but very useful film technique for newest filmmakers out there. When I first started making movies at an age of 11, I did not know about this film technique. But 1 year later I got told about this by some professionals and I loved it. This technique goes around filming a scene or a dialogue. As an example, let's take a dialogue scene. When you have two people talking to each other, you would like to film both of them. But the problem many have is that they only have one camera. So what do? What I did in the beginning was that I filmed one line of one actor, stopped the camera, and then moved the camera to the other person, recorded, they said the line, stopped the camera, and then move the camera back to the first person again. This will make the editing part much more easier, but not the filming at all. What you should do is to film the whole conversation from just one angle at a time. First, you film only one person while the conversation is going on. And then you film the exact same scene again, just that you only film the other person instead. With this technique, you save a lot of time and you only have to move the camera once. This technique is a very useful tip and some of the most basic things you should know when you are filming to save a lot of time. So I hope you found this tip very useful. I would recommend you to do this every time you get the opportunity. But that's it for this episode. I hope you liked it. If there's another topic you want me to bring up, just let me know. You'll find me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. And I see you next time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like it. And feel free to check out my other videos too. And I'll see you next time.